Gorgeous. I love you, Nicole.
Hi, ito ni.
Hello po. Hello, hi.
Hi.
Ano pong pangalan niyo? What's your name? I am Jaida Cruz. You, what's your name?
Very good.
Oh, amazing.
Ay, si Aso.
Dab.
How old are you po?
How old are you? I am 54 years old.
Wow.
Old but yet still gorgeous.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes.
Arigato.
Ito.
Shishi ato.
Si Ato.
Ay, hello, Shishi ato.
Are you feeling well right now?
Yes, I am
Yes.
feeling well right now.
How do you feel about this interview?
Very happy.
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 Happy, yes.
Yes.
Happy.
Yes.
Have you been hospitalized?
Yes, several.
How do you feel about it?
Siyempre, ayoko. Kasi masakit. Tutusok kami ng karayom.
How many children do you have?
I have 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls.
Wow, I bet they are handsome and pretty too.
Yes, they are beautiful. Like this one.
What's your name ulit, baby?
What's your name? What's your name? Ito, tingin.
Sama ka dun sa interview ni Mama. Do you still remember your first love and first kiss? Controversy.
Maybe, hindi na. Aywan ko lang.
Where and when did you and your husband met?
Dito lang sa lugar natin. Kasi meron kaming tindahan. Yan. Driver siya. Dumadaan sa tindahan, bumibili. Yes. Diba, Gab? Oo, yes.
Car?
Car.
Have you witnessed any historical events?
What do you mean?
Nakasaksi na po ba kayo ng mga historical na pangyayari? Mga makasaysayan?
Hindi yata eh. Pelikula lang.
You don't remember?
Come here.
Hello again.
Hi.
My next question is, do you love to cook? What is your favorite?
Mahilig ako magluto. Siyempre. Paborito ko, paksiw.
Wow, that's yummy! Can you give us some next time?
Yes.
When did you give birth to your first baby?
My first baby, 1982, November.
And that is...
Katrina.
I saw her. She's gorgeous and bright also. What the special means to you?
What does special?
Ibig sa ano po yung special sa'yo?
Ay, special sa akin. Siyempre, maging masaya ako.
Hello! Dabrel! Dabrel. Hello.
Walang sakit.
Ate, tuto.
Malusog.
Lusod.
Yan.
Ay,
Malusog.
no! Yes! What can you say to your grandsons? Especially Gabriel. Where's Gabriel? Where's Gabriel? Come here.
Makulit. Pogi.
Come here, Gabi.
Masaya ako dyan kasi ang kulit-kulit. Siyempre.
So handsome, right?
Makulit.
What is the most important thing for you and why?
Is the most important. Important. Paano important?
Yung pinakamahalaga po sa inyo, sa buhay nyo po.
Tsaka kanina na yun.
Mm.
Hindi. Iba pa yun. Pinakamahalaga ko sa buhay ko. Siyempre, bigyan ako ng kalakasan at mahabang buhay para matulungan ko pa yung mga anak ko, magiging apo ko pa. Makapaglingkod sa Diyos.
I'm sure that God will answer all your prayers.
Amen.
Amen. Who entertains you most? Celebrity or relative?
Siyempre, relatives. More my relatives.
Your family?
Amen.
Your husband? Yeah.
My family.
This is the second to the last question. If you want to be an object, what is it and why? Kung gusto nyo pong maging bagay, ano po yon at saka bakit po?
Bagay. Isang bagay.
Kung gusto nyo pong maging bagay, ano po yon? Gusto nyo pong maging bulaklak, para mabango lagi. Kung gusto nyo pong maging, ano po ba? Basta po, yun. Kung ano pong gusto nyo. No answer?
Siyempre, yun na yung sinabi mo. Gusto ko maging nanay. Hindi. Gusto ko maging gab.
Ayaw, Abi,
Gusto ko
ayaw.
maging maging bata. Para laging bata.
Mukha naman po kayong bata eh. So, this is gonna be the last question. Right now, if you're going to wish for anything, what is it and why? Kung ngayon po, kung ano pong, kung magwi-wish po kayo ng kahit anong bagay, ano po yun at bakit?
Siyempre, ang wish ko sa buhay ko ay bigyan pa ako ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para yun naman, magandang kalusugan lagi, walang karamdaman. Siyempre, para makapaglingkod pa ako sa pamilya ko at sa aking kapwa.
That's so touching. And anyways, thank you po sa interview. Kahit di pa po
Thank you.
kayo ganun katanda, napagbigyan niyo po kami kasi po wala po kaming gawa.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
And,
God bless.
Gabi, what can you say?
Thank you.
Tutumas.
Say shishi ato.
Sushi ato.
Kamsamnida.
Ada.
Goodbye, Mrs. S.
S. Bye-bye S.
Say, Mrs. S.
S.
Mrs.
S.
S. Goodbye, Mrs. S.
Bye-bye.
Sana po,
Apo.
I hope
No.
you
You.
continue
You.
po
No.
to give a high grades to this group.
No.
Yes, thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Tutu.
Say hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
Hi,
ma'am.
teacher. Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher.
Oh, goodbye.
Bye.
Tutu.